We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx, and today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with a Brother HL3075CW. So first thing first, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your paper is not filled past these max level indicators, these little tab things right there. And then also there's an adjustment right here. If you'll see how the paper moves, you want to make sure that that's adjusted to the correct size of your paper. You don't want it to be too tight or too loose because it'll cause the rollers to not be able to pick up the paper. So if those are all good, then what you want to do, if you're adding paper into your tray, you want to take your old paper and combine it with your new paper. Then you want to align that and then kind of fan it out a little bit. The reason why you want to do that is if it gets some condensation in there, the papers could stick together. Then when the rollers go to pick up the paper, it picks up more than one piece at a time, causing a paper jam. So then fan it out, realign it, stick it in there, and you should be good to go. If you are in need of any supplies or any quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.